Alright, so at the end of the last video I mentioned that there were still some things I had to do to the plane tail. See here, I'm going to get that flattened to an angle so it matches the sides. Then at the bottom here I'm actually going to put a drone there. Stick around to find out how I'm going to do that, because it's not going to be a conventional drone. Got a sand and apply finish. Again, I've got an idea for this so that you don't see all this sticking out. Okay, just to show you, this is the concept idea I've got for the drawer. In this drawer is going to be my sharpening stone and possibly the strop as well. And so in order to use it, the sides and the backs and the front will all be on hinges, so that hopefully they end up like that, and then I can just use it as a sharpening. And there it is, finished product in place. Really happy with that, how it's come out. You can probably see there the bottom, the concept drawer. Still got a lot of work to do on that, which I'll do over time, but I'm just happy to finally get this finished. And don't forget that if you've enjoyed what you've seen in this video, please leave a like, and also why not subscribe to the channel. Thank you to all those who have subscribed lately. You're absolutely fantastic people. Really appreciate you coming along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next video.